If you're here for the supposedly forbidden knowledge, right here on screen, it'll be on here for a few more seconds. It's also going to be in the video as we go along.
So we're back on a new day. You might be able to tell by the tools I have here. We're doing a valve adjustment. If it turns out that the valves aren't bad on this, or aren't out of adjustment, I do have a leak down tester. So, yeah. This engine's been sitting here since yesterday, untouched. Almost forgot. I'm not trying to pop any fuses today. And that, my friends, is what a genius looks like. So you want to see my crazy idea here. What do you think about that? What the fuck was that? If there's something cool on the video, I'll put it in. Might have been a lizard or something. And now with my genius, yes. Okay, so there's our info right there. 7 to 9 thousandths on the intake, 9 to 11th on the exhaust, and you're gonna put it at, oh, where does it say? So number 1, piston at TDC, up mark, obviously, like you're doing timing, and then you're gonna check number 1, exhaust and intake. I don't have a 0.9, but I got a 9 thousandths, but I got an 8 thousandths and a 10 thousandths. Is there any play in this? Wow. Oh. I think we found our misfiring problem. There is no play on this. I definitely needed a head gasket, but now I'm a little excited. This is our valve adjusting tool. You get these on Amazon pretty cheap. This is basically a 10 mil with a screwdriver in it that slots in. Wow, I am impressed with how bad that is. That would definitely do a misfire at idle, huh? And then we're just gonna check. So that's loose. That's pretty loose. Not much drag on that. I can actually feel the resistance on that, so we can just put our tool back on here. I'll tighten it until it feels tight, then back it off a little bit. Try to get my hand in there. Back it out a little bit more. You just want like a little bit of grab. Like that. Then you hold your screwdriver tight where it is, and you tighten your 10 mil. It doesn't need to be too tight. You're not going crazy here. And then just check it. That is still a little loose, not a problem. Well, it is a problem when you don't have the screwdriver in. Turn it a little bit, hold your screwdriver, tighten your 10 again, take it out. That's a little too tight. straighten out just a smidge. Just like that. Okay. That's good. That's where you want it. So now it's got a little bit of play. Damn, dude, that's insane. How, wow. These rockers were holding the intake valves open just a little bit. There was none of this. There was no movement.
Gas mileage. You gotta remember, the more air comes in, right? You gotta think about it. More air, more power, right? So if you leave the intake valves open at wide open throttle, you save a lot of money on gas if the car's disabled. Basic math, dude. Come on.
I think the exhausts are going to be okay, which, no, they're not. Oh my god, this head got fucking hot. Number one has about 10 thou on the exhaust and about 8 thou on the intake, which is where it's supposed to be. And now I gotta rotate the crank 180, and then it'll make the cam rotate 90 so I can do number 3.
You want to put this down in the combustion chambers so you see what it's...
Holes are open, dog. Holes are open. Go for it. I got a magnet in about half an hour. I don't care. So 180 on the crank. So we'll start at the top, counterclockwise. Oof. 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 And we'll go straight down to the ground, which up should be that way now. So then you rotate the crankshaft 180 counterclockwise, so the up now points that way, which we have pointing that way. Good stuff. That's number 3, and then we rotate another 180 to get number 4. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Which now up should be pointing straight down. And then number 2. Which number 2, you're just going to line up the up towards the back of the head. Like that, you know, all good.
thing got VTEC yet?
Yeah, that's that. I'm installing that right now.
It's like 2 days ago. That's why I'm clearing all this out.
Ain't no way. I took this little nub out, and that's. Talk to me, Nazca. Talk to me. Permatex ain't shit. The weird sounds in the, because yesterday it was still misfiring on 1 and 2.
Huh?
Yeah, it was misfiring on 1 and 2 and still had low compression in 1 and 2.
Stop.
It's on. It's uploaded to YouTube right now. Go watch it. Now I got to put a fucking card in to say, like, if you watching this video, go watch the last video and you'll see.
You forget.
Okay, and once you got your valve adjustment done real quick, only takes about 10 minutes. Reconnect your battery. Yeah.
Are you gonna Camry start it?
Your dead never start? No, we put a bit of time in this car. I'd rather not lose it. That's just me though. Do you think it's even gonna start? I might have just fucked all the valves, I don't know. Damn, you hear that? It's like the exact same noise it was making yesterday. And the day before that. Hey, no misfires. But we're not nearly warmed up yet. And the vibrations are from the blown out motor mounts. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Is there any directions on this? Let dry for 1 hour, then tighten. Allow 24 hours before full cure. I did the valve adjustment yesterday, right?
Yeah.
Alright. You just gotta trick the RTV. I am shocked at how well that's running now. Alright. Get back to you when this bitch is warmed up. Can you sit? You good boy. You good boy. So that was a contingency plan that we didn't need. The valve adjustment fixed it. We got up to temperature, the fans just spun up. I've had the scan tool running this whole time, watching for misfires. And we have 0 misfires on any cylinders and 0 misfires total. So that was it.
No, that wasn't it. You want to know what's really wrong with the car?
What?
They squared it off for you.
Yeah, don't talk shit about my Honda. Yo, how did that get stuck like that? Oh my god.
That's what's wrong with it, dude. Right fucking there, bud.
I mean, I could tell the folks at home what the name of the previous owner was, but that was the problem.
What was the owner's last name?
I don't know.
I don't think he left any documentation here.
Yeah, he did.
Did he?
Yeah, one of those receipts there. Yeah. Got his phone number, his name, Jared. You hear all 1.7 liters of non-VTEC. So now what?
Booster launches into 1.7.
This thing's running great now. Kind of hate it.